blunt. So blunt. That's all for sure.
Grabe. Tinapak-tapakan lang ni ate yung logo. Your game is stack the items. So whatever items you will get, whoever builds the tower or stacks them first wins. Yes, ate? You know? Shen, you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
Balik lang, balik.
Ay, ate!
Oo.
Nangagaw siya rin. Okay! She already won! But because it was too easy, she's like destroyed it again.
So, angas!
Okay, one more. 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan na. Ayan. Huwag ka na mangagaw. Okay na. Ate, wait!
Congratulations po.
She's trying to steal children's items. Okay. Congrats, ate.
Hindi mo ba Disney movie mo? Wow!
Okay. This game, you need to keep the tissue in the air. Whichever tissue falls first loses. Okay, you have to blow it in the air. Are you ready? Are you both ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, play! Wait, wait. I think next one more, okay? That's practice. Okay lang? Okay, practice lang yun. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, play! Okay, okay. 3, 1, thank you. Next game.
Ganito pala sa Maxis sa buhay.
Do you want to
Wala.
Okay. Okay, this next game is the pedometer game. Paramihan kayo ng number na magagawa. Kailangan kasi gumalaw-galaw ka dyan para dumaming number. Sasayaw ka, tatalon, basta magiging uod ka. Ganon. Okay? Juan already knows this game. So ate, galingan mo, okay? Only 9 seconds. Count with me. Poha. Ready? Play! 9! 8! Okay, let's check.
Nanood ka lang ng concert na pumawisan ka pa.
Baka mayumi. Wow! Juan has 0, but Ate has 35!
Grabe. Congratulations po.
Congrats! This game is very easy. It's called the Untangle Your Earphone game. So whoever untangles the earphone first and put it on their ears wins. Okay? Ready? Play!
Malalaman mo sino mo yung naka-airpods sa choir.
Okay, habang inaantay nila yan.
Ay, sabi 진짜 진심을 하는 것 같은데.
Grabe, ang hirap ah.
Help. Mukhang parehas mo sila naka-wireless earphone.
Ano, mga bukas na to? Ate, dali mo! Ate, tapos na siya! Congrats! Perfect! Thank you, Shaiko. This next game is a tongue twister game. We will show a Tagalog word, and you guys will compete who is the best tongue twister person. Okay, prompter. Okay, you see? Usong-usong, isang-isang, salo-salo nagsisosyoyohan ang mga aso sa
Ano mo? Ano mo?
Okay, try.
Usong-usong, isang-isang, salong-salong, nagsisisusuhan ang mga aso sa asasyon sa Aksveda.
How about you, Boni?
I try?
Try.
Usong-usong, isang-isang, salong-salong,
Very cute. Very cute, but the winner is Noah! Alright.
You won!
Okay. This is the Calamansi game. Ang iikutan niyo yung staff. Staff, okay. Okay. And then I will sample. And then you have to balance it. And then you have to go around. And then you have to listen. If I said stop, stop. If I said go, then dance, dance. Whee! Okay, you get it? Fast forward. Okay. Ready? Come here. Here. Begin here. Ay, swerte. Ay! Ay! Ayan! Matatalo.
May papansin ka!
Wait, ito partner mo. Okay.
Dito po ako.
Okay. Okay. Dito ka pa sa akin. 3, 2, 1, play! Ate, dalian mo, dalian mo. Dalian mo. Stop! Stop! She didn't see the chaos. Congrats!
Congratulations, boss! Dahil dyan, nanalo ka po ng birth certificate.
Okay, let's have Tango! Alright, this game I need to be in the middle. Okay, so this is like hep hep hooray. But instead of hep hep, you say ahok ahok. And then, okay, sample. Hey, Mike. Okay, one, ready, go. Whoa. Okay, Itana. Okay, forward ka dali. Dapat ka sa mic. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Up, up, what? Up, up, what? Up,
Oh, ha?
1 point. Okay.
Nakasahod? Bakit?
Isa na naman pong kababayan ang sumakses sa buhay ko.